We'd like to send a big thank you to Auxbeam that sent through these LED upgrade lights to try in this Honda Odyssey. So we're going to show off the difference between the LED and the stock standard lights in this video. Again, a massive thanks to Auxbeam, and we can't wait to get stuck into this video to show off what these LED upgrades can do on the headlights of this car. Welcome to anyone that's new to this channel, and welcome back to anyone that's been watching. So here we have the Q30, it's the H11 variant of these LEDs that will fit inside this Honda. And we'd just like to take you guys through what's included inside the box. So we have a little bit of instructions, we have a bit of an up close of one of the LEDs in the flesh. So here we'll see the construction, we'll see the coloring, we'll see the inbuilt fan, and it does look like quite a sturdy unit. You know, there's quite a solid nature. However, as we compare to the original H11 light bulb, we'll see the match is quite close. There's a little bit of extra thickness in terms of the base, but all around we'll see the actual section that goes inside the housing is just about identical. But all in all, a very easy fit in this Honda Odyssey. We didn't need to modify the headlight casing at all. It just twisted straight into the position just like the original light bulb. So a very easy upgrade, took no time at all, and we're going to get straight to some nighttime shots to show you guys these LED light bulbs in action. So firstly, to start off, we have the original stock standard light bulbs. They're the halogen bulbs that came included with this car since day one, since this car was ever built. Comparing it to the LED upgrade, you can see a massive difference in not only color, but it also is a lot brighter. So we have a whiter look and a lot fresher and cleaner look. And we're going to jump back to the original. So again, a yellowy halogen original stock standard color. So nothing wrong with that, of course, but for some people that are interested to put brighter light out and look for a bit more of a modern look, you'll see the difference here again. Straight to the white look, a lot fresher, a lot whiter. Just a really great upgrade for this car and showing off the light in action. So hopefully you guys can see the difference between this is the after and this is the before. We're going to move to now these lights in action. We're going to have the split screen of the before and the after whilst driving on the road. The one thing to keep in mind here, guys, is the camera used to record these videos is always going to struggle to capture the full amount of light output on the road, such as what the eyes can see is a lot brighter than what the video camera can see. But I think you guys get an idea as to the difference between the color spectrum of the original compared to the aftermarket. If you guys have a bit of a close look at the far left of both of these videos, you'll see the white LED upgrade, which is the bottom video, is showing a lot more of the curbside grass and curbs. So definitely one aspect of this video is very obvious that there's a lot more of a brighter amount of light on the road. So here are a few more views and angles of these lights in action back to back. One really great thing to note was that these LED bulbs were made so well that they just fit straight into the headlights without any modification or adjustments needed to the actual headlight casings themselves. So it was literally a direct swap and plug and play into the headlights of this car. So that was just absolutely excellent. For anyone interested, I'll put the details of these light bulbs in the description below, and also a discount code that you guys can use to help you save on any purchases going forward. So if you guys do use the discount code, I will note that I do get a little bit of a kickback from every purchase made. However, I'm not fussed at all. It'll all just be an extra bit of a help to the channel. The main thing is that if you guys get a discount and save some money on your purchase, hey, I'm happy with that. So the big question is, would I spend my own money to buy these type of lights for my own car? And the short answer is yes. I'm very convinced that these lights, they look like they've been made well. They certainly do put a lot more light out. I have tried a cheaper eBay equivalent before these light bulbs went in, and on those other ones, the light was very poor in terms of output. So these lights certainly were a lot brighter and not that much more expensive. So that's excellent. So guys, again, hopefully this video has helped someone out there. Maybe you get a bit of an idea as to the difference between LED and halogens. If you've got any questions about these specific brands, or if you've got any questions about what type of light bulbs you need for your car, Give me a message anytime, either in the comments or through the Handy Auto Care email or Instagram page, and happy to help you guys. We have a mobile service based in South Australia, but we do travel East Coast from time to time. So give us a message anytime, give us a follow on Instagram, and hopefully this video has helped you out. So again, thank you for watching. Thank you to Auxbeam, and if you're able to help out this channel, either give us a like on Instagram or on Facebook, and use that code FMG15 and you get 15% off on the Auxbeam website. Don't forget to comment below what you'd like to see next on one of our videos.